Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this scene that you see on the screen right now. This plaque that's waving. I had made one very similar to this, but it didn't have any waving motion to it. This one is done completely different, actually easier. So you might want to stick around and watch. As usual, go to Media Pool, right click, New Fusion Comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to, and leave it on 5 seconds. And once again, this one's completely different than the last one. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. Get a fast noise. Go to one viewer. Set the detail to 1.0. And the scale to 4.0. Go to the color tab. Turn the alpha all the way up on color 1. And select color 1. Here's the color I'm going to use. I'll leave it up on the screen for a minute if you want to get the information. So you can match exactly what I got. And color 2. Just go in off-white. And select the fast noise. Get a rectangle. On the width, go 0.25. And the height, go 0.65. We can always change that if we need to. Then go up to the top left to Effects, Templates, Edit, and Effects. Come all the way down to Noise Distortion. And drop it on your line. And you'll see it starts to distort your image. Set the detail to 1.0. And the scale to 3.5 or to your liking. I'm going to go back to the fast noise for a minute. On the fast noise, set the detail to 8.0. Alright, sorry about that. Then go back to Effects, get a paper edge. When it turns blue and yellow, drop it on, it should connect. Good idea to make sure. And set the border to 0.005 or to your liking. And the edge intensity, I'm going to go 0.15, but again, set that to your liking. Then go to the color. Pick the same color. This is for the edge. And make it a little darker. Now go to the effects and get Flying Flag. And now we have the waving motion. But if you look, it's a lean back quite a bit. Let's add a transform in here so we can make it larger. Select the Flying Flag and a transform. Again, looking closely at it, you'll see it's leaning back. Go back to the Flying Flag. Set the flag twist offset to 0.0. And if you give it a play, to me it's moving too much, too fast. I'm going to set the wind strength to 2.0. Again, set yours to your liking. It's moving the same amount, but not moving as fast. And get a merge. Put it right between the paper edge and the Flying Flag. That way it'll be on top and stuck to and will move along with the movement of the waving motion. I'm going to have a letterhead on top of this, so I'm going to go with the multi-text. If you're going to go with one size text, you can use just a plain text node. Shift space and multi-text. And put the text you're liking in. I'm going to use Old English Text MT for my font. Add a little line spacing. And to move it, go to Layout, and you have your center X and Y. Right here, the center point is way at the bottom left. I'll make it black. And add another text. Here I cheated, and I want to make you guys wait for me to write all this in. Just downsize it to something like that. Change my font to match the other. Go to Layout, and change the type from point to text box, which is down here. You can't really get to it. If you change the size here, it'll change the text box size and the text. We don't want to do that. Not yet, anyhow. I'm finding it best to cut the line to the text node. Then you can see the box and move it here, or down here on the center X and Y. Set up something like that. You may have to play around, go back and forth for the sizing. Like I say, you could do it here too, but it also does the box. And just play around with all of them until you get your text position and size correctly. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.